Hi students, today I am going to take application of vector algebra for 12th standard 6th chapter. So far we discuss scalar triple product of two vectors. Today we are going to discuss about vector, how to find out vector triple product of three vectors. That is, if A, B, C are the three vectors, the vector triple product of three vectors can be represented as A cross B cross C. This A cross B cross C. This is called as the vector triple product of three vectors. The expansion for A cross B cross C is A dot C into B vector minus A dot B into C vector. So the vector triple product of three vectors is A cross B cross C. That is equal to A dot C into B vector minus A dot B into C vector. Based on this, now let us solve some problems. First one, for any vector A, prove that I cross A cross I plus J cross A cross J plus K cross A cross K, which is equal to 2 into A vector. So first you can take the left side, what is given. First you can assume let A vector is equal to A1i plus A2j plus A3k. Then the left hand side, I cross A cross I plus J cross A cross J plus K cross A cross K. Now you can consider each one separately. First one is I cross A cross I. This you can expand by vector triple product. That is I dot I into A vector minus I dot A into I vector. I dot I, already we discussed this, I dot I is 1. So here you get A vector minus I dot, the value of A we assume A1i plus A2j plus A3k into I vector. That is A vector minus I dot A1i. So only these two dot product you can find out. Remaining become 0. So I dot I here you get only A1. So A1 into I is A1 into I vector. Same way when you are expanding the second one, J cross A cross J, we get the answer as, here you can write similarly, A vector minus, since we are having A cross J, the coefficient of J is A2. So A2 J vector. Third one, K cross A cross K equal to A vector minus A3 into K vector. So the simplification for left hand side is, if you are considering, this is first equation, second equation, third equation, 1 plus 2 plus 3. When you add all these three, we get 3A vector minus of A1i plus A2j plus A3k. So first we assume A1i plus A2j A3k is equal to A vector. Replace that. We get 3A vector minus A vector, which is equal to 2A vector. That is only given in the right side. So with the help of vector triple product, we got the result as 2A vector. Now let us solve one more sum. The box product of A minus B, B minus C, C minus A, the value must be equal to 0. That is, prove that the box product of A minus B, B minus C, C minus A equal to 0. We know the box product of A, B, C. This is scalar triple product. So this can be written as A dot B cross C. So same way, now you can consider A minus B as one single vector, B minus C as one single vector, same way the third one. So A, instead of A, B, C, we are having these three terms. So we can write A minus B, B minus C, C minus A is equal to A minus B dot B minus C vector cross C minus A vector, which is equal to A minus B dot, first we can expand this. So we will get B cross C minus B cross A minus C cross C plus C cross A vector. We know cross product of same vector. When you are considering C cross C, the value must be equal to 0. So remaining, we are having A minus B, B cross C minus B cross A plus C cross A. Again you can expand, we will get A, B, C minus A, B, A plus A, C, A. Now you can multiply with the second vector, minus B, B, C minus B, B, C, then plus B, B, A vector minus last one minus B, C, A vector. When you are considering this, if any two vectors are equal, here A, B, A vector, A, C, A vector, B, B, C, B, B, A, all the value equal to 0. So we left only with two terms, that is A, B, C minus B, C, A. Box product of A, B, C and B, C, A, these two values are equal. So both will be cancelled. The answer must be equal to 0. Now let us solve one more sum. Three vectors are given A, B, C. We want to verify the result A cross B cross C not equal to A cross B cross C. Both are vector triple product only, but the values are not equal. We will verify this result. So when you are taking the left hand side, A cross B cross C is there. So first you can find out A cross B. You know how to find out the cross product of two vectors I, J, K. Write the coefficients 1, minus 2, 3, 2, 1, minus 2. When you expand I vector into 4 minus 3 minus J vector into minus 2 minus 6 plus K vector into 1 plus 4. So we are getting I plus 8J plus 5K. This is A cross B. Then A cross B cross C. Next one A cross B cross C. Again we have to follow IJK form. IJK. Now you have to take the coefficients of A cross B. 1, 8, 5. The coefficients of C 3, 2, 1. When I expand I vector into 8 minus 10 minus j vector into 1 minus 15 plus k vector into 2 minus 24. When you subtract, minus 2i plus 14j minus 22k. This is first equation. The left side, inside the bracket we are having a cross b. Right hand side, first you have to find out b cross c. A cross b cross c. So b cross c equal to I, j, k. The coefficient of b 2, 1 minus 2. C is equal to 3, 2, 1. When you expand, I vector into 1 plus 4 minus j into 4 minus 3 plus k vector into, here it is 2 plus 6 k vector into 4 minus 3, which is equal to 5i minus 8j plus k. Now you have to find out A cross B cross C. Again I, j, k form. Coefficient of A 1 minus 2 3. Coefficient of B cross C. The answer what we got in here 5 minus 8 1. When you expand this, I vector into minus 2 minus 24 minus j vector into 1 plus 15 plus k vector into minus 8 plus 10. So the answer is minus 26i minus 16j plus 2k. This is second equation. A, B, C values are same, but A cross B cross C we got one value. A cross B cross C means another one value. So from equation 1 and 2 we can say that A cross B cross C is not equal to A cross B. Sorry, A cross B cross C. Thank you, children.